Installing the Flex Power Roller Conversion Kit for the Model 445 FS pneumatic stapler. Begin by removing any staples from the staple channel. Mount the stapler upside down in a padded vise. Using a 3/16 Allen wrench, loosen the 4 hex screws with lock washers from the base of the existing stapler foot. Lift the whole foot and channel off the stapler. Remove the 4 1¼ hex screws from the foot and save for reinstallation. You are now ready to install the conversion kit. Using pliers, pull the drive blade assembly to the top of the stapler. Install the staple channel into position over the drive blade. Line up the drive blade with the opening in the staple channel. Slide the flex foot sideways onto the stapler and staple channel. Line up the 4 screw holes for each component, the foot, staple channel, and stapler body. Replace and tighten the 4 1¼ hex screws with lock washers using the 3/16 hex Allen wrench. Stapler is now ready for functional testing.